Chamomile's at the heart of the tradition of herbal medicine, and it's used for settling digestion, for helping your nervous system. It's really one of those panacea herbs, and so that's why we use it in so many of our teas. Well, as far as we know, the first recorded instances of chamomile being used are back in the time of the ancient Egyptians. But herbs have been used for hundreds of thousands of years by humans, so it could have been much earlier than that. We work with growers in Egypt and Croatia and Hungary to grow our chamomile, and we grow a very special type of chamomile where we're just using the flower pollen, because that's the part of the plant that's got all the delicious flavour and benefits in. So it takes about 5,000 fresh chamomile flowers to collect a kilo, every one of them picked by hand.